thank you so much for inviting Hollywood Today Live to Exceptional Minds. April is Autism Awareness Month, and I can't think of a better place to hang out for the day.
Well, man, I'm just thrilled that you're here. This is so much fun to have you here at Exceptional Minds.
Tell me about the program here.
Well, we started out by figuring out what do the studios need. They needed visual effects and animation, they needed rotoscoping, they needed title work, and so we set out to create a program that would teach them how to do those things and make them work ready. We've gotten to work on some pretty amazing projects. Avengers Age of Ultron, we've gotten to work on Game of Thrones, Hunger Games, SpongeBob.
Tell me your favorite part about being a student at Exceptional Minds.
The best part of this school is how the teachers are so accommodating and so helpful to everyone.
The autism spectrum is a lot broader than some people think, so you're going to be dealing with all sorts of people here, and it'll prepare you that much better for work outside of the studio.
Even if things get hard, don't give up, don't feel bad for yourself. Push yourself, no matter what you do.
I would just like everyone to know that they're just people, like you and me. They're all different. They all have different talents, and if we can find those talents and develop those talents, then we have a contributing member of society that can make a huge difference.